Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. In this video we're going to look at how to use the Avada layer slider element. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. The layer slider plugin is a professional slider that is included with Avada. See the How to Use Layer Slider with Avada document for more info on how to use this plugin, linked below. Once they are created, layer sliders are typically added to the top of the page via the Layer Slider tab in the Avada page options. But by using the layer slider element, layer sliders can be added anywhere in your content. Let's just look at the technology pre-built here as an example. There is a layer slider at the top of the page, which has been added to the page via the Avada page options and the slider tab. But further down the page, there was another layer slider inserted here. I've just deleted it so we can see how simple this element is to use. I will just click on the Add Element icon and choose Layer Slider from the list. When it loads, you need to select the slide to add. If I click on Select Slider in the sidebar, I can see in this pre-built that I have a choice of 2 sliders to add. Here I want to add the one called Intro Featured. And there it is. Layer sliders give you the opportunity to make awesome animated sliders. And the layer slider element simply allows you to add them into your content pretty much wherever you like. It couldn't be easier. Okay, that's it for this video. If you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.